Everyone, my name is Shirmei. I'm from Krate, and today I will be teaching you guys how to paint watercolor wreath, a simple one within 2 minutes. Grab your tools and sit down with me and let's start something creative. So all you need to do is draw a little circle first. You can use this to draw the circle if you're a perfectionist, but I'm not, you see. You can kind of like draft down where you want your flower to be. I'm gonna do exactly like this so that it's very easy for you guys to see how the outcome is. Now what you need to do is you need to wet your brush, take a bit of this, whatever color you want, and with the nice consistency like this, you make a flower. Add your flowers. While it's a bit dry, you could use brown and a bit of dark blue to have this kind. It's really good to have a test pad right there so that you can try. And just dab in the middle like this, it's really cute. And the color might seem really dark right now, but like all watercolor, you need to know that when it dries, it's not as vibrant. Especially when your watercolor is not pigmented. And then use another color. I like to use this to go around it if you like, so that it spreads. See how it spreads very beautifully, and you could even make it flow. I would love to add smaller flowers because I want it to pop a little bit more. I'm using purple over here, okay? And to test whether or not it's good watercolor volume, you could just swatch it right here and see consistency, and you just make like a tiny little star. Now anybody can do this. Since we're all stuck together, why not create something cute, you know? And it looks pretty good already, right? Okay, then I'm gonna use the leaves. So the leaves are the one that completes it. Don't just use green. Like, this is the rule. This green is very commercialized. So we want to mix it up a little by using brown. So we get a very interesting, realistic leaf color. And we're gonna add on to just like giving the shape of it, which is like the main branch. Coconut vibe, give it a bit of leaf. Now don't worry about it, just have fun with it. Take the lighter color and add some highlights to it. Maybe you can draw the kind of leaf that the teachers teach you in school. Ha, ha, ha. With the highlights of the darker green, you could go over the light green, and this is what I'm doing. And here's a very special trick. I like to use the brown for a little bit of depth, as if like it's really thick. And there you go, your loose watercolor flowers. Boom, 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 boom. Now, all you gotta do, like what I did here, if you can see the light color, you take a light brown and a bit of green, and you basically just intertwine it. Okay? And there you have it. Watercolor. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. So there you have it, a very simple 2 minutes video of how you can create something out of whatever you have at home. Please share, comment, and like this video. And see you later.